Okay. See beta, exactly one root in this interval. Acha, first of all make the graph. So if I make the graph, I will get it like this. Exactly one root in D comma E. So here is D, here is E. In D exactly one root, or it may happen D is here or E is here. Both situations are possible or not, beta?
Yes, sir.
So if both situations are possible, then we will say first thing it must have roots. So D greater than that is not needed. See here, first condition would be f of D. If this is the graph, then f of D less than 0, na? And f of E greater than 0. And if that is the graph, then f of D greater than 0 and f of E lesser than 0. Yes or no? What is common? In this case, this negative, this positive. In this case, this positive, this negative. Both are going opposite. One thing is common. Both product is negative in both the cases. So if they say exactly one root in the interval, you will do only one thing, only one condition. F of D into f of E lesser than 0. That's all. No any other condition required. Very clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Ask your doubt. Have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, na? Clear?
Sir, on Monday, what test will be there?
Quadratic only.
Equation or something else?
Quadratic only, yeah. Full quadratic. ठीक है? Clear till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
चलो. This was type 3. Now we are going to type 4. Type 4. See beta, what is type 4? When both the roots are confined between the number D and D. When both roots are confined between D and E, or in other word you can say both the roots are in the interval D comma E. Understanding? Both the roots are in see, plot the graph, then you will get more clarity. Quadratic equation, here is D, here is E. You can see both the roots are confined between D and D. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Right now? So both the roots are confined in this, or they will say both roots lie in this interval. Same thing. So everybody tell me here, what will be the conditions? Think.
F of D, F of E greater than 0.
First of all, separately beta, separately. F of D greater than 0. F of E greater than 0. We cannot say their product greater than 0 because their product will be greater than 0 if both are negative also. Suppose D here, E here, then also product will be positive. So we are saying separately. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So f of D, f of E greater than 0. Third case, they must have root. So discriminant greater than equal to 0. Fourth case, anybody can tell me? Abscissa. Abscissa is minus b by 2 है ना?
Greater than D.
Yeah, this abscissa must be lying between D to E. Understanding? Solve this, take the intersection, get your answer. Clear? Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Clear na? So that's the case. Chalo, some question. Yeah, write a question. Write a question. Alpha, beta are the roots of this equation. Find out the values of k. Right. Right. Alpha, beta are roots of alpha, beta are roots of x square plus 2 times k minus 3x plus 9 equal to 0, alpha not equal to beta, and alpha beta belongs to minus 6 to 1, then find values of k. Same thing they told na? They told both the roots are lying in the same interval minus 6 comma 1. Try fast beta. Try fast. Write the conditions here. Solve them. All the 4 conditions. Chalo, what is the first condition beta? F of minus 6 greater than 0 na? Yes or no?
Yes.
So 36 minus 12 into k minus 3 plus 9 greater than 0, right? Simplify. 36 and 36 how much? 72. 72 and 9 81, that is greater than 12k. So from here k lesser than how much? 27 by 4. Clear? K is lesser than 27 by 4. Second one, f of 1. So 1 plus 2 into k minus 3 plus 9 greater than 0. So 9 and 1 10. 10 minus 6 4. 4 plus 2k greater than 0. So k 2k greater than minus 4, k greater than minus 2, right? Similarly solve third and fourth and get the common. I am writing the final answer here. Okay, you will solve and match. 6 to 27 by 4. That will be the final answer once you are doing all 4. Third one, should I solve that? Chalo, I will solve. Minus of b upon 2a, that must be greater than minus 6 lesser than 1. Solve this also. Then make the discriminant greater than equal to 0. Solve that also. 1 2 3 4. Solve, we get answer. ठीक है? Hello.
Yes.
So that is the thing, beta. Note it down. Then we'll go to the last type. Type 5. Chalo, let's go next.
27/4 to infinity answer.
Answer is coming this, na? No. Hello? Are you getting that as the answer? It will take some time. All these 4 you will solve, then go to the common number line, then you will get. It will be time taking. So I have given you the answer. You try at home. If not getting the answer, then tell me. Right? Go next. 5th part. T5. Right? When one root is greater than e, one root greater than e and other root lesser than d. Understand very clearly, beta. If you will read it now, you will not understand anything. But when you will make the graph, then you will have the clarity. They are saying one root is greater than d. Okay, this is the quadratic. One root is greater than e. Acha. One root is greater than e. So e is here. You can see one root is greater than e. This root is greater than e, na? And they are saying other root. Other root is this. Other root is lesser than d. So d is here. Yes or no, beta? This is the mistake students do. They do not make the graph. They just read it. If you will read it, you will get only confused. If you will again read, again you will not get anything. Getting the clarity, everybody?
Yes.
So, what will be the situation here? Situation here will be, first case, f of d less than 0, yes or no? Second case, f of e less than 0, bas khatam. That's all. F of d less than 0, f of e less than 0, finished. There is no relation between minus b to 2a because d can be here also, here also, here also. So here you will not say minus b by 2a greater than d lesser than e. No. They can be anywhere, only these two conditions.
Into f of e greater than 0.
Sorry?
F of d into f of e greater than 0.
No, not needed. If you will say both greater than 0, then f of d, f of e here is also possible. That will not satisfy the condition. So it will go wrong. Okay? That will go wrong here. That is only in the exactly one root. If exactly one root in the interval, then we will say f of d into f of e less than 0. If d and e both are lying between the roots, then this. Lots of PYQs are asked based on this. So note down this, everyone. We'll do one question. Chalo beta, we go next. Written now?
Break.
Writing. अरे जोर से बोलो भाई.
Break नहीं दिया बना इसमें.
Break. Now permanent break. Time over. Class time over ना. चलो 5 minutes. 5 minutes we'll do one question. Then class over. Right. Find out all the values of k for which all the values of k for which the quadratic equation k minus 5x square minus 2kx plus k minus 4 equal to 0, all values of k for which this one root is smaller than 1 and another root greater than 2. One root smaller than 1 and other root greater than 2. Acha, make the diagram. And here see, arches, a is k minus 5 na, so here we will apply that condition, k minus 5 must be greater than 0, otherwise it will go wrong. Same question you are asking in one other type, right now?
Yes, sir.
So one root is smaller than 1. Acha, one root is smaller than 1. So this is 1. So one root is smaller than 1. No. This is 1 and this root is smaller than 1. Okay. Other root is greater than 2. Okay. Other root is greater than 2. So 1 is here. Other root is here. Now see. 1 is here and 2 is here. So one root is smaller than 1. Yes, this root is smaller than 1, but the another root is greater than 2. Yes, that is greater than 2. Both conditions satisfied. So first will be this inequality. Second will be f of 2 how much? Greater ki lesser? If from 2 vertical line, then lesser only. And if it is through 1, then also lesser. Solve these three now and tell me what is the common intersection. Everybody. Solving.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, solve. When you will do k minus 5 greater than 0, then we will get how much, beta? K greater than 5 right now. Here f of 2 less than 0. So how much? K minus 5 into 4 minus 4k plus k minus 4 greater than 0. So 4k gone. So k minus 20. So k greater than 24. Third case f of 1. So k minus 5 minus 2k plus k minus 4, that's lesser than 0. So how much? K gone. So that is always 2. So what's the answer, beta? Greater than 24, greater than 5. So 24 to infinity, that's the answer. Let's match it. Arey, nahi. Lesser than 0 na? Why greater? Lesser.
Yes, sir.
Here lesser na? Lesser. Now we are going to the common number line. So common number line will be here 5 here, 24. First one tells greater than 5, this. Second one tells lesser than 25, this. Open, open. What is common? This part. Final answer 5 to 24 open interval. बस हो गया. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So one chapter is completed of algebra. Monday you will write the test. 2:30 to 2:50 you will be asking your doubts, and 2:50 test will start till 4 o'clock. ठीक है? Any doubt till here? Anybody?
No, sir.